Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: EV Jagat, a platform for electric vehicle ecosystem. Tariffs reduced for manufacturing linked solar projects. India's first green hydrogen electrolyzer. Coming to the details. Powered by government advisory firms and stalwarts from electric vehicle domain, Electric Vehicle Jagat is launched to the public. Electric Vehicle Jagat is a platform for all stakeholders in the ecosystem for electric vehicles with a focus on advocacy towards acceptance of electric vehicles by Indians and a marketplace for all electric vehicle things. India's first such electric vehicle ecosystem driver, EV Jagat works with manufacturers of electric vehicles and batteries and with policymakers and citizens to establish the right demand for electric vehicles. EV Jagat work on the perception of potential consumers and drive them towards electric vehicles using data analytics and artificial intelligence. EV Jagat guides buyers by providing them vehicle and charging options across the entire customer cycle, including finance, insurance, and servicing. Apart from vehicles, the platform guides consumers on the right accessories personalized for their needs. Platform also helps original equipment manufacturers manage their entire supply chain through physical warehouses and digital marketplace. Hence, if anyone wishes to buy electric vehicles or sell anything related to electric vehicles, they can come to this new ecosystem. In January this year, Solar Energy Corporation of India has finalized tariffs for first of its kind manufacturing linked solar tender. According to the project timeline, Solar Energy Corporation of India was to sign the power purchase agreements for 4 gigawatt. SECI is set to sign the power sale agreements for 3 gigawatt of solar projects. PSA for 500 megawatt has been signed with Grid Corporation of Odisha and approved by Odisha Electricity Regulatory Commission. PSA for 300 megawatt is finalized with the distribution company of Chhattisgarh. Tamil Nadu Discom is likely to buy 1 gigawatt. The tariff of 2.92 per unit discovered in reverse auction is reduced to 2 rupees 54 paisa per unit with additional trading margin of 7 paisa per unit because discoms are unwilling to buy power at the rate discovered through the bidding. Adani and Azure has won the bid to develop 2000 megawatt of projects with 500 megawatt manufacturing capacity each. The manufacturing linked tender also had a green shoe option where the companies could opt for an additional capacity to develop and manufacture. Under the green shoe option, Adani had offered an additional capacity of 1500 megawatt for manufacturing and 6 gigawatt generation. Azure had taken the green shoe option for an additional capacity of 500 megawatt manufacturing and 2 gigawatt generation. Ohmium International, a US-based renewable energy startup, has launched India's first green hydrogen electrolyzer gigafactory at Bengaluru through its India subsidiary. The gigafactory will manufacture India-made proton exchange membrane hydrogen electrolyzers with an initial manufacturing capacity of about 500 megawatt per year and will scale up to 2 gigawatt per year. The startup has developed technology which can be both distributed and scaled up. High performance and high value products ensure to achieve levelized costs of hydrogen. Additional news today. Railway Energy Management Company Limited invites tenders to enroll agencies or consultants to set up solar projects. Bid submission date 6th October 2021. Eastern Delhi Municipal Corporation and SECI signed MOU for rooftop solar power projects in Delhi. Andhra Pradesh Cabinet accepts SECI's 9000 megawatt manufacturing linked solar power offer. GST rate increased to 12% from 5% for renewable energy devices and parts. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 213.09 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 3 rupees 84 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 65 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 2 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 44 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 50 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.